Hi everyone, today I am going to start programming my first website. In order to do that, I needed to make a wire framework for my website, and I found this really cool program called Axure, and here it is. After I've downloaded it onto my computer, this is what the blank screen will look like. I've got a workspace with pixels, and I have over here properties and style and notes. On the top we have some more tools that I really haven't explored yet, but I got the basics of this. Over here is an important part. It's the home page with the pages that they'll be linked to. And this is just really awesome. It has everything you need down here in these little tools. This has been so fun. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did with it today. That's just the blank screen. So here's what I did with it. I am going to put together like a resume kind of page. So I have a picture on the top, kind of a banner that I want to be on all the pages. At least I think that's what I want now. And I put in these little links here, which is really easy. I just found a link button and moved it over, changed the name, so easy. I want a picture of myself right here, so I could just change it and move the size and everything. I did this before I got on here so I could show you how this is. When you click on the picture and then you come over here to the right to properties, there you go, you can import an image. It took forever for me to get it right, so let me just pull it up here. There's my picture, it looks just like me, see? Yeah, photoshopped. Anyway, I can put a picture in here of me for my thing, and I can make myself look skinnier. There you go, see? Anyway, you can change it around. That's not the important part. We got here this paragraph where I can write about me. What I've done is, when I went to this paragraph, well, first of all, I added the paragraph from the left here. There's a paragraph option, and I just slid it over there, and I added a note on it, and I just said, write up about me here. That note will show here. The link options are really awesome. So I can click on resume, and then over here it'll link it to something. I haven't done anything for about me. So let's just do this. It doesn't make any sense to do it now, but about me, I want to link that. So I clicked it over here. I'm going to go over here to properties and create a link, and I can link it to any page. I could just link it to projects for now for fun. After I do that, it'll show a little number in the corner. I'm not going to do that right now, but so you can see each of these is linked to something. And then the picture, I just, maybe it has a note there. That's why that number 1 is there. Now you can get to your pages by either double clicking over here. By the way, I changed the names of these. They used to say new page or whatever. Sorry, problems. But I changed them to these names. You can either double click here or along the top you'll see the pages. Let's go to the second page, which is resume. I still have the banner. I added a, where is it? Header 1, which is over here, something like this, header 1. Header 2. Paragraphs, I'm going to change. I couldn't figure out where to find ordered and unordered lists. I'm sure it's in there somewhere. I just don't know where quite yet. And then you can go to all these other pages. I've got one I wanted to show YouTube videos, so link those in there with their links below them for the tools that I've learned how to use. Projects that I've worked on and I've done, here they are. And let's see what page haven't I gotten. Let's go to join. Say I want people to join my newsletter, I can say, hey, come and join my newsletter. I'll send you emails for updates. These little inserts are right here. Where are they? The text fields are right here. I've got radio buttons. You got everything you can need here, except for the ordered and unordered lists. I can't find those. Someone put in the link in the comments where I can find those. That'd be great. Anyway, that is how we use it. You can also preview it. It does take a minute, so I've already done that. It's here's the preview for it. Let me go over here so that if I click on resume, it'll bring me to that page. And I'm actually going to exit this because I forgot to show you how that works. Let me go back to the About Me page. When I want to hover, I'm going to click here. And say I want to hover on that or something like this. I've got here, mouse over, and then what will I do? Let's say I want to change the font color. So I'm going to change it to, I think I changed it to green on the other one, so let's do that one for this. So if you're hovering over it, it's going to be that. I want to do mouse down. When the mouse is down, let's say I change the color to something crazy, yellow. You can't see yellow, blue, dark blue. And after it's been selected, so anyway, you can go and change these things up, and that's how I did it in the example here. It's going to take a while now. I'll close it out. Anyway, you can see how it changed the color, and so it helps me when I'm programming to know what I need to do to make the website look like I want it to look. So it's been super helpful for me. I recommend it to everyone. I love this program. Thanks.